You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? In English, the pronunciation here is pronounced as bonafide. Bonafide. Now, it is an expression that normally comes from Latin, meaning genuine or real. Bona fide. It comes from the law. Bona fide in Latin, bona fide, but in English, bona fide. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.